What is going on, my crypto fiends? Ryan Rotolo here. Today we are going to be diving into some very exciting and of course bullish news happening in the cryptocurrency space. We're going to be talking about how you can now spend cryptocurrencies at over 32,000 stores around the world, and of course more bullish news coming out of Samsung. I am also going to be giving you guys an exclusive sneak peek of the new app that you will be using to spend your cryptocurrencies at 32,000 stores. Now, of course, this is a sneak peek because this app is not on the market for anyone to just download as of just yet, but I will be showing you guys a little exclusive view of how the app works and how to navigate it and all that sort of stuff. So before we jump into anything, if you do find this video informative, don't be afraid to smash that subscribe button and maybe hit that little bell so you can get notified for future videos. I don't know, that'd be cool. So nonetheless, let's dive right into things today. Now, I'm sure you guys have maybe heard of this news already, because unfortunately I did not jump on it right away. But other than that, we have a handful of new retailers now accepting cryptocurrencies. So on May 13th, cryptocurrency enthusiasts were pleased to hear that major retailers including Whole Foods, Lowe's, Petco, Regal Cinemas, and GameStop will accept payments in crypto. The payments will be processed by Flexa using custodial wallet called SPEDN, which gives people the ability to spend with Bitcoin Core, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, and GUSD, which is the Gemini stable coin. Spend also allows crypto purchases at many well-known retailers, which we will be going over right now. As you can see on the screen, we have Barnes & Noble, Baskin Robbins, so you can get your favorite chocolate ice cream spending Bitcoin, Bed Bath & Beyond, get yourself a bath bomb or some new perfume, Caravan Coffee, Crate & Barrel, Express, GameStop, Jamba Juice, Lowe's, Nordstrom, Office Depot, Petco, Regal, Ulta Beauty, and Whole Foods Market. Whole Foods Market is the one I'm personally really excited about because we all know Whole Foods is owned by Amazon. So who knows, maybe in the near future, this could be just a little hint that Amazon could be on this list. And oh my God, that would be freaking massive. And of course, I'm pretty excited for GameStop because I can always buy my new video games with Bitcoin or any of the other cryptocurrencies listed. And maybe I'll go down to Bed Bath & Beyond, buy my mom some new perfume or some lotions for the Mother's Day gift that I never got her. So nonetheless, this is really exciting news. Now, this will be for 30,476 stores accepting crypto. I know I said 32,000 in the beginning. I apologize, but it's relatively close, I'd say. So nonetheless, you can go right down the street to any of these stores today if you have access to the app and buy anything with cryptocurrency. So real briefly, I am going to be giving you guys a sneak peek of the app. Well, not really a sneak peek, a full view of the app. Now, this is just a screen view, but I'm going to go ahead and put on a screen recorder right now so I can show you guys the app on the screen and what it looks like. So this is what it looks like. Once you get the app all set up, as of right now, you do need an invitation code to get access to the app, but it will come live on the App Store within the next couple days. But this is what it looks like. As you can see, I got $5 in my Bitcoin wallet, and I can simply click on my Bitcoin wallet and see my address. So if I wanted to show my address so I can send more Bitcoin to fund my app, I could do so, or I could copy the address. Then as you guys can see down here, you have a long list of all of the retailers that will be accepting cryptocurrencies through the SPEDN app. Now, as you guys can see, some are kind of gray. That means I don't have enough Bitcoin in my wallet to buy stuff at these stores. I only have $5 right now. But for Baskin Robbins, I can go down and get myself a chocolate chip ice cream cone, and as you can see, this barcode pops up, and this is what I would use at the register. They would simply scan this barcode and it would instantly send them my Bitcoin and transfer it into the US dollar for the retailer. So now I know a lot of people are thinking, Ryan, that means they're not really directly accepting these cryptocurrencies. Not necessarily, but nonetheless, this is a huge step for mass adoption. You need to understand a lot of these retailers regardless of how supportive they are of cryptocurrencies, simply cannot accept cryptocurrencies as of right now, to the simple factor that things are way too volatile right now, and a lot of these companies aren't going to risk accepting a cryptocurrency that could tank in value 50% the next day. They're putting their company at such a large risk if they do that. So this is still huge for the average day retailer and consumer. We can go out and finally utilize our cryptocurrencies of how they're supposed to be used. And I can't believe this is already available to this many retailers so soon on in the cryptocurrency timeline. And as you guys can see, you can also fund your address with Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, and the Gemini dollar. So maybe we will see more currencies on here in the future, but as of right now, those are what we have. And then as you can see here, you have a history log showing all the times you funded your wallet with a cryptocurrency. The one thing you cannot do as of right now, I do not see it, is you cannot withdraw from this app. So whatever you fund onto this app, you cannot pull it off. So if you're thinking of putting $200 on and pulling $100 off later, you cannot do that. So only fund the app with what you're planning to use. I probably will film a video within the week of me going out and using this app at different retailers to just show you guys how easy it is to use. But nonetheless, this is what I got for you guys. And they also have a messaging section for if you need help with support. You can simply just send them a text message through the app and you can get yourself some answers. So this is so exciting, guys. I can't stress it enough. And anyone saying that cryptocurrency adoption is not happening, you are absolutely ludicrous. You are out of your mind, because before you know it, you will be spending cryptocurrencies everywhere, absolutely everywhere. And the biggest thing is you won't even realize you are using cryptocurrencies, because we are going to have simple apps like this that allows us to simply scan our phones to a QR scanner at the store, and that's it. It's a done deal. You don't have to worry about anything else. So that is all the news I have for this. Next up, I want to briefly talk about Samsung and how they are planning to roll out more crypto features on their budget Galaxy phones. This is a huge deal, guys, because as we know right now, Samsung has their new cryptocurrency wallet on the Galaxy S10, the brand new S10, the newest phone they have out on the market. And unfortunately, it is around $1,000 phone, and the average consumer cannot simply afford $1,000 phone. So they do want to pump this out to the other Galaxy phones down the line. So I'm assuming that would be through a simple software update. You can simply download the new software and you can have yourself a new cryptocurrency wallet on your phone. Now, it probably wouldn't be identical to the S10 where it has a built-in sort of ledger, but nonetheless, you will have your own cryptocurrency wallet on your phone where you can also navigate different dApps. So, reading a little further into this, South Korea electronics giant Samsung is planning to bring cryptocurrency and blockchain features to more phones across its Galaxy range. Citing a press release from Samsung, Business Korea reported that the firm would make its digital wallet app available on even lower cost models and will further expand the crypto features to more jurisdictions. Senior Managing Director also said, "We will lower barriers to new experiences by gradually expanding the number of Galaxy models that support blockchain functions. We will also expand our service target countries after Korea, the United States, and Canada." The S10 additionally comes with the blockchain features such as digital signing and decentralized apps, which the report appears to suggest that may also be added across the Galaxy range. Business Korea said that Samsung will be talking with telecom firms such as SK Telecom and KT Corporation about possibly of working together on the blockchain-based digital identity verification tools and other initiatives. So this is the one part that I think is definitely necessary, unfortunately, in the cryptocurrency space, but it also kind of sucks, is apparently Samsung will be working on a way to do sort of like identity checks when it comes to storing your funds on the cryptocurrency wallet on your device. So they are going to be reaching out to a handful of telecom firms to probably get that information so they can simply link your your SIM card or your phone number from your device to your cryptocurrency wallet, and they will know who you are. So that is one thing I've always personally been really skeptical about, is with these mobile wallets, not necessarily like the Engine wallet, because that is sort of decentralized. It's its own thing. You don't have to put in any personal information. But with these hardware mobile wallets that are built into the phones, that is the thing I am personally not too fond of, is all of these companies knowing your identity, knowing who you are. I personally like to be anonymous in the cryptocurrency space, at least the best I can be anonymous. To simply, you can't fully be anonymous, especially with like on ramps and stuff like that in crypto. But that is something I am a little skeptical about, is we will begin to see this a lot in the future, where a lot of these mobile companies that do offer hardware wallets built onto the phone, they will be reaching out to telecom providers to get access to your personal information and know who you are, so you pay all your taxes. You don't do any fraud, you don't launder any money, anything like that. So in the grand scheme of things, it is important to help bring adoption to the cryptocurrency space, because as we know, a lot of people do stay away because they think crime is all over the place in cryptocurrencies. Although we know that is not the case. Crime involved in crypto is probably around 2%, if that. So nonetheless, this is very, very positive news. Following the reveal of the blockchain and crypto focus for the Galaxy S10 phone, it notably said it is developing its own blockchain network based on Ethereum, and may also issue a Samsung coin token in the future. Samsung is also planning to add blockchain technology to its enterprise IT solution packages. The tech giant also recently invested around $3 million into cryptocurrency wallet startup Ledger. So Samsung is definitely in the game, guys. They are planning on building their own blockchain network and possibly initiating their own Samsung coin on top of that. Definitely possible. I don't see why not. It seems like all these big institutions are slowly transitioning over to cryptocurrencies. Nonetheless, so much is happening right now in the cryptocurrency space. It is absolutely ridiculous. If you did find this video informative, hit that subscribe button and join into the Crypto Fiend community. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next.